This is a quick demonstration just to show you how to use WordPress primarily as a website rather than a traditional blogging system. The first thing you'll see when you install WordPress onto your server, you'll have a couple of demo posts and a sample page. Now, what we want to do is when you first hit the website, we want to be able to see, say, an index page that has all the content that you want on it. But at the minute, you're just getting the blog posts. So the first thing we need to do is go to the dashboard. And what we want to do is go down to Pages and add a new page. I'm going to call this Home Page. And this is the home page. This is the first page that I want a user to see when they visit the website. Okay, so I've got my copy in there now. That could be whatever you want, and I'm going to publish that. Okay, so now that home page is published, if I click on the pages, I'll be able to see that as well as the sample page that is created by default, my home page now appears there as well. Okay, so if we go back and look at the demo, we'll notice that I now have home, which is the blog posts. I now have a home page, which includes everything that I just typed in there, and we also have the default sample page. But what I want to do, I want to replace this home page with this home page. So I want to get, basically what I'm saying is I want to get rid of these posts and I want to have the content on this page appear here. So how we do that is go back into our dashboard, go down to settings and click the reading link. And this is the area here that enables us to do that. So instead of what the front page displays, instead of your latest posts, we want to make that a static page, and I want the front page to be the home page that I've just created. So save changes, go back and look at that. Okay, so there we are. Very first page that I will now see on my website is the home page that I just created. Now I have two links there. You'll notice that the blog page has completely disappeared. So I may want to get that back, I may not, but for this demonstration I also want to have a blog page. So once again, back to the dashboard, down to pages, and I want to add a new page, and for simplicity's sake I'm just going to call it blog, and I'm going to publish that. Now if we go back to our home page here, the blog is empty, there's absolutely nothing there. So I want to retrieve the original posts that I had in my blog. So to do that, we go back to the dashboard, back down to settings, click the reading link once again, and you'll see that you can now set a post page, and for that I want to select blog. So this basically is the page that is going to contain all the blog posts that I'm going to post on this site. Save changes, and go back and have a look at this. And there you have it. My blog posts have now appeared within the blog page. Users can go on, leave comments, etc. One final thing, as just a tweak to this demo site, is I've got my homepage and I don't necessarily want to have users having the ability to come on and leave a reply. So to change that, go back to the dashboard and back down to the pages link. And I want to disable this for everything that isn't going to be a blog post. So I click on the home page and I click on the sample page. I go to bulk actions and click on edit and apply. You'll see now there's a pull down menu where I can allow or disallow comments on those pages, and for this I don't want to allow any comments, so update that back to the WordPress demo, and you'll see now the user can no longer leave a reply on this home page, and the same should have been reflected for the sample page. So there we have the basic structure of our WordPress website with a new home page, the blog post assigned under blog page, and any other pages I set after that.